Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into remote desktop portal fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the remote desktop portal. Press the enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the login page. Locate the username field. Click in the username field and enter your assigned username. Next, find the password field. Click in the password field and type in your password. If there is a checkbox for Remember Me, decide if you want the browser to save your credentials. If you do, click the checkbox. Now, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. Wait a moment while the system processes your login. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the remote desktop dashboard. In case of an error, check your username and password for accuracy. If needed, click on the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the portal interface. You are now ready to access your remote desktop applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.